In the misty mountains of ancient China, hidden among moss-covered trees and shaded rocks, a strange yet revered mushroom was discovered, one that would come to be known as the reishi mushroom. For over 2,000 years, reishi has been celebrated as the Mushroom of Immortality, a title that captures the awe and reverence it inspired in emperors, healers, and philosophers alike. Its glossy, fan-shaped body with deep red, almost lacquer-like shine made it stand out in the forest, symbolizing both mystery and divine energy. Legends say that emperors sent their men across distant lands to search for reishi, believing it held the key to eternal youth and boundless vitality. Ancient texts describe how Taoist monks consumed reishi during long meditations, believing it helped them connect with higher spiritual realms. In traditional Chinese medicine, reishi was classified as a superior herb, meaning it nourished life, promoted longevity, and had no harmful effects even when consumed daily. Unlike ordinary foods or herbs, reishi was not sought after for flavor, but for its profound ability to restore balance within the human body. Modern science has confirmed what the ancients suspected. Reishi contains unique compounds such as triterpenes, polysaccharides, and beta-glucans that influence immunity, reduce inflammation, and enhance resilience. It is often called an adaptogen, a natural substance that helps the body adapt to stress, whether physical, emotional, or environmental. In times of fatigue, reishi gently strengthens energy reserves. In times of overstimulation, it calms the mind and restores inner peace. It has been shown to regulate sleep, not by sedating, but by harmonizing the nervous system, allowing the body to rest naturally. For those suffering from weakened immunity, reishi supports the production of immune cells, empowering the body's defenses without overstimulating them. Its antioxidants sweep away harmful free radicals, protecting cells from premature aging and preserving vitality. In cardiovascular health, reishi is said to support healthy blood pressure and circulation, promoting a smoother flow of life's essential energy. Its compounds have been studied for their potential to reduce harmful cholesterol and balance blood sugar, making it a quiet guardian against lifestyle-related diseases. Yet, reishi's power extends beyond the physical. It is known as the herb of spiritual potency. Those who consumed it regularly reported not only better health, but also enhanced clarity, emotional balance, and a deeper sense of purpose. This harmony of body, mind, and spirit is why the mushroom earned its place as a symbol of immortality. Across Japan, it is called reishi or manentake, meaning 10,000-year mushroom, reflecting its connection to endurance and longevity. In Korea, it is called yeongji, revered as a divine gift of nature. In every culture where it grew, reishi was never seen as an ordinary fungus, but as a bridge between the earthly and the eternal. Unlike many other medicinal plants, reishi is rare in the wild, often growing on old hardwood trees, slowly drawing energy from their ancient trunks. Its scarcity once made it a treasure reserved only for emperors and nobility, a luxury beyond the reach of common people. Today, cultivation methods allow more people around the world to experience its benefits, though its aura of mystery remains intact. Reishi tea, with its earthy bitterness, is a traditional preparation, taken slowly as a tonic rather than a quick remedy. Powdered reishi, capsules, and extracts are now widely available, making its healing gifts more accessible than ever before. Athletes sometimes turn to reishi to improve endurance, not for sudden bursts of energy, but for steady, sustainable strength. For those battling stress, it is a gentle hand that calms the storm, helping the body adapt without collapse. In cancer research, reishi has been studied for its potential role in supporting immunity during treatment, though it is not a replacement for modern medicine. Its role is not to fight alone, but to empower the body to defend itself, to endure hardship, and to thrive despite adversity. But as with any powerful gift of nature, it must be used wisely. Reishi may interact with certain medications, especially blood thinners, so guidance from a health professional is important. Yet, when respected and consumed with awareness, it becomes one of the greatest allies nature has ever offered. The ancients were right to call it immortal, for even if it cannot grant endless life, it offers something equally precious: vitality, resilience, and harmony throughout life's journey. In our modern world, where stress, pollution, and imbalance surround us, the reishi mushroom is a timeless reminder of nature's wisdom. It whispers to us through history, carrying the voices of sages, healers, and emperors who once placed their hopes of immortality in its glossy red form. Every sip of reishi tea, every capsule consumed, is not just an act of nourishment, but a continuation of a sacred tradition. It is the legacy of those who believed that true immortality lies not in escaping death, but in living fully, harmoniously, and with balance until the very end. The Mushroom of Immortality remains today what it was thousands of years ago, a guardian of health, a symbol of resilience, and a companion on the path to well-being. It is not just food, not just medicine. It is nature as way of reminding us that healing comes not from force, but from harmony. Perhaps this is the true immortality it offers, not eternal breath, but eternal wisdom. Like and subscribe to stay with us on this delicious journey through the world of food and ancient flavors.